Mr. Smith, and I am the instructor for the manufacturing program. In RCA manufacturing, you also have student organizations like Skills USA and the robotics team. On the robotics team, we actually build robots and take them to competitions to compete. So you learn how to program, you learn a little bit of electronics, and continuing to learn design. So I'm going to show you an example of our robot we have right here and how it moves.
Hello, my name is Amel Gunnison, and welcome to the CNC machine room. This right here is a CNC machine. It takes designs that we make on our computer and cuts them out in wood.
Hi, my name is Cameron Powell, and I'm part of Mr. Smith's Pathway here at RCA. We use 3D software like SketchUp to make 3D models like shown here and here on the 3D printer we have in our classroom.